A new study reveals a shocking truth. Almost a quarter of the world's freshwater species are on the brink of extinction. This alarming discovery comes from the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. The study paints a grim picture of the state of our rivers, lakes and wetlands. These ecosystems are facing unprecedented threats. Human activities are pushing freshwater species towards a point of no return. The time to act is now. The IUCN report is a wake-up call. It highlights the urgent need to protect these vital ecosystems. Freshwater species are essential for the health of our planet. They provide us with food, water, and livelihoods. They also play a crucial role in regulating our climate. Their loss would have devastating consequences for humanity. The study's findings are a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The decline of freshwater species is a symptom of a much larger environmental crisis. It is a crisis that threatens the very foundations of our planet's life support systems. We must act now to reverse this trend and secure a future for all life on Earth. The threats facing freshwater species are numerous and complex. Dams, for example, disrupt the natural flow of rivers. This disrupts breeding cycles and blocks migration routes. Climate change is another major threat. Rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns are making freshwater habitats less hospitable. Pollution from agriculture, industry and urban areas is also taking its toll. Agriculture is a particular concern. Runoff from farms carries fertilizers and pesticides into waterways. These chemicals can be toxic to freshwater life. Invasive species introduced through human activities are another growing threat. They can outcompete native species for food and habitat, disrupting delicate ecosystems. The cumulative impact of these threats is staggering. Freshwater species are facing a perfect storm of challenges. It is a crisis that is often overlooked. Freshwater ecosystems are hidden from view, tucked away beneath the surface. But their importance cannot be overstated. They are the lifeblood of our planet, and we must take action to protect them. Freshwater ecosystems are often overlooked, yet their importance is paramount. Though they cover less than 1% of the Earth's surface, they support a disproportionate amount of life. An estimated 10% of all known species depend on freshwater habitats. These ecosystems are biodiversity hotspots, teeming with a remarkable array of life. But their importance goes far beyond their biodiversity. Freshwater ecosystems provide us with essential services. They act as natural water filters, purifying our drinking water. They help to regulate our climate, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they play a crucial role in flood control, absorbing excess rainfall and releasing it slowly. The loss of freshwater ecosystems would have devastating consequences for humanity. It would threaten our food security, our access to clean water, and our ability to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Protecting these vital ecosystems is not just an environmental imperative, it is essential for our own survival. Section 4. Vanishing biodiversity, a decline of staggering proportions. The IUCN report reveals a deeply concerning trend. Freshwater species are disappearing at an alarming rate. Monitored populations have plummeted by 84% since 1970. That's more than twice the rate of decline seen in terrestrial or marine ecosystems. This decline is not just limited to large, charismatic species. It's impacting the entire web of life, from the tiniest insects to the largest fish. Small creatures, often overlooked, play a vital role in maintaining healthy freshwater ecosystems. They are the foundation of the food chain, providing sustenance for larger animals. They also play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and decomposition. Their decline has cascading effects throughout the entire ecosystem. The loss of freshwater biodiversity is a tragedy in itself, but it also has profound implications for human well-being. It threatens our food security, our access to clean water, and our resilience to climate change. We are losing species faster than we can even discover them. And Section 5, a call to action safeguarding our freshwater future. The IUCN report is a stark warning. It highlights the urgent need to protect our freshwater ecosystems. The good news is that it is not too late to act. There are solutions, and they require a concerted global effort. We need to invest in nature-based solutions that restore degraded freshwater ecosystems. This includes protecting and restoring wetlands, planting trees along riverbanks, and reducing pollution from agriculture and industry. We also need to address climate change, which is exacerbating the threats to freshwater species. Protecting our freshwater ecosystems is not just the responsibility of governments and conservation organizations. We can all play a part. By reducing our water consumption, making sustainable choices, and supporting organizations working to protect freshwater ecosystems, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. The time to act is now. The future of our freshwater ecosystems, and indeed our own future, depends on it.